Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 21st of October 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. Well, the local share market ended the day flat on a very busy day for quarterly updates and annual general meetings. The S&P ASX 200 finished at 7,415 points. The real estate stocks did well. They're particularly sensitive to interest rates. Bond yields are rising because traders expect interest rates will rise sooner than we thought. That means investors are selling out of bonds. They need to put their money somewhere and in something with similar traits as bonds, and that's why the property groups are benefiting. Tech stocks also did well today. Energy stocks and consumer staples were the worst performing sectors. There were some significant falls among the major caps across the bourse. CSL, Wesfarmers, Transurban and Rio Tinto, that's a motley crew, all fell by more than 1%. Woodside Petroleum was off 2.3%. Several of the worst performing among the top 200 were companies that have done pretty well in recent sessions. It suggests investors are out there taking profits. Those companies include Flight Centre, Super Retail Group and A2 Milk. On the other side of the ledger, Scentre Group jumped more than 3%, Sonic Healthcare and Xero were both up more than 2%. Aristocrat Leisure started trading again after its deal to buy a US gaming group for $3.9 billion. Investors liked the deal and its share price closed almost 3% higher. The best performer of the top 200 was Perpetual, the funds manager, after announcing a strong quarterly result with a jump in funds under management to more than $100 billion. Its share price rose almost 8%. Engineering company CIMIC and health group Healius also reported to shareholders and ended up with much higher share prices at the end of the day. In economic news, weekly payroll jobs edged 0.2% higher in the 2 weeks ended September 25, according to the ABS. That's before the reopenings in New South Wales and the ACT, so that is good news. There's a jump in COVID cases in both New South Wales and Victoria today. We can expect more of that as economies reopen. Oil prices were down a bit. Gold prices were up a bit. Both remain relatively high. The Aussie dollar is trading above 75 US cents and Bitcoin hit a new record this morning, trading above 66,000 US dollars a unit. Just recapping Wall Street's close this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 finished higher, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day lower. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 21st of October, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Friday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.